I'm Savita Valsang and you're watching my channel Statistics Made Simple. In the previous video, we have completed the continuous theoretical distribution, that is the normal distribution. Now before we move on to the chi-square distribution and students t distribution, in this video I'll be defining certain terms, that is the degrees of freedom, which is abbreviated as d dot f, then a chi-square variate with 1 degree of freedom, with 2 degrees of freedom and n degrees of freedom. These definitions are very important to keep in mind. So let's start with the first one, that is the degrees of freedom. It is defined as the number of independent variates. Second is a chi-square variate with 1 degree of freedom. So the square of a SNV is called as a chi-square variate with 1 degree of freedom. So all of you know that SNV is a standard normal variate. We have used the formula in several problems in my previous videos based on the normal distribution. So let's consider a SNV. You know that it is denoted by Z and has the formula x minus mu divided by sigma, which follows normal 0, 1. And what is capital X? Capital X stands for a normal variate. Now, how many normal variates do you have in this Z formula? You have only one X, which is a normal variate. So now when we square this S and V, we get Z square equal to x minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. So we had a S and V, and when you square it, it follows which distribution? It will follow the chi-square distribution, and because we have only one x variate, the degrees of freedom will be 1. So we write z square is equal to x minus mu by sigma the whole square, which follows chi-square with 1 degree of freedom. 1 is written as a subscript. Find out what is a chi-square variate with 2 degrees of freedom. So keep in mind that degrees of freedom is the number of independent variates. So if I have Z1 and Z2 as two independent SNVs, that means what? Z1 will have the formula x1 minus mu divided by sigma, and Z2 will have the formula x2 minus mu divided by sigma. So now how many independent normal variates we have? We have two independent normal variates. So when I square Z1 and Z2, which are SNVs, then I will get Z1 square plus z2 square. And which distribution will this follow? This will follow chi-square distribution with 2 degrees of freedom. Then similarly, let us define what is a chi-square variate with n degrees of freedom. So what is n degrees of freedom? It means that we need to have n independent normal variates. So if I have z1, z2, so on zn as n independent SNVs, what will Z1 formula be? It will be x1 minus mu divided by sigma. Z2 will have the formula x2 minus mu divided by sigma. Similarly, Zn will have the formula xn minus mu divided by sigma. So totally how many normal variates do I have? I have n normal variates. So if I have Z1, Z2, so on Zn as n independent SNVs, and if I square each one of them and add them up, then I will get the expression as z1 square plus z2 square plus so on plus zn square, and this will follow which distribution? It will follow chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. In the pink box on the right hand side, I have written the notation for chi-square. Please learn to write the symbol correctly. It shouldn't look like x square. Okay, so practice writing the symbol for chi-square. And also at this side, the SNVs Z1, Z2, so on, Zn are given for your understanding. This was a short video where we learned what is a degree of freedom and what is a chi-square variate with 1 degree of freedom, with 2 degrees of freedom and n degrees of freedom. Thank you for watching, and in my next video we'll learn about the chi-square distribution and its properties.